In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PancakeSwap via the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC for short. We'll cover everything from connecting wallets, swapping tokens, providing liquidity, and share some essential safety tips. So, if you're ready to dip your toes into the exciting world of decentralized finance, let's get started. First things first, you'll need a crypto wallet that supports the Binance Smart Chain. One of the widely used options is MetaMask, a reliable choice for this process. Additionally, make sure you have some BNB tokens on hand. You'll use BNB specifically on the BEP20 network within BSC to handle transaction fees, known as gas fees. And a pro tip, make a habit of verifying that you're on the official PancakeSwap website, which is PancakeSwap Finance. Safety first, always. Now, on to the action. The first thing we need to do is add the BSC network to your MetaMask wallet. Start by opening MetaMask and navigating to the Settings menu. From there, click on Networks and select Add Network. When prompted, enter the following details. Label it as Binance Smart Chain or simply BSC. Set the RPC URL as BSC dataseed. Binance.org, the chain ID as 56, use BNB as the symbol, and for the block explorer, use bscescan.com. Once you've filled in this information, save it and switch to this new network. The next step involves getting some BNB into your MetaMask wallet. If you're holding BNB on the Binance exchange or another platform, go ahead and withdraw it, making sure to select the BEP20 or BSC network. Send this BNB to your MetaMask wallet address, providing you the gas needed for transactions on the BSC. With your MetaMask set up and funded, let's connect it to PancakeSwap. Simply open your browser and navigate to pancakeswap.finance. At the top right-hand corner, you'll see the option to Connect Wallet. Click on it, select MetaMask, and approve the connection. Once this is done, you're connected and ready to start swapping tokens. Swapping tokens is as straightforward as it gets on PancakeSwap. Navigate to Trade and then Swap. Select the token you wish to swap from and the token you want to receive. Enter the amount you're planning to swap, and consider adjusting the slippage tolerance via the Settings gear icon if necessary. Once you're happy with your selections, confirm the swap. MetaMask will prompt you to approve the transaction and charge the necessary gas fee in BNB. If you're interested in providing liquidity, PancakeSwap makes it easy. Head over to Liquidity and click Add Liquidity. Choose a pair of tokens, ensuring you own both, then specify the amount you wish to contribute. By doing so, you'll receive LP tokens, which can even be staked in what's known as farms for additional rewards. Finally, managing your assets is just as essential. Any tokens you swapped will automatically be in your wallet. As an LP token holder, you can remove liquidity anytime in the future if you wish. Remember to always keep a little BNB in the tank for future transaction fees. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough on utilizing PancakeSwap via the Binance Smart Chain. Keep these steps in mind, prioritize security, and happy trading.